Hey guys, Cece back with another video, and before we even get started, I apologize because you guys are going to see this look in 3 different videos. I got a little time on my hands, so I have to get filming. You know what? I don't even know why people be bugging out about that anyway. I bought these clothes. I should be able to wear these clothes as many times as I want. People be wearing clothes one time and then don't want to wear them again because it's been on social media. Forget that. Y'all gonna get my double and triple wear shirts today, okay? Anyway, if this is your first time seeing my face, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel, follow me on social media, all of that good stuff. Click the little bell so you can be notified for all of my future videos. And let's jump in. This is a video you guys have probably all been waiting for. I know y'all have. We've been doing this declutter thing since the summer, so I'm very happy to tell you that this is the absolute last and final declutter. For a while, we finally gotten to the end. So what I did with this is I went through all of my makeup once again, and I pulled out products that I kind of gave a second thought about, and I was like, do I really need these products? I pulled them out, and I'm going to declutter these. So what I did was start a Poshmark account. I will leave my username on the screen and also the link down below to my shop, and you guys can go on there and purchase things directly from my Poshmark. I figured that was a lot easier than emailing like I was doing in the past. So if you guys are interested in any of these products, then you can shop them on Poshmark. Everything that I list on Poshmark will be either brand new or very, very, very gently used. So make sure you check that out down below. But anyway, let's jump right into this video. First thing I'm looking at are a few lip products. I have this Ulta lipstick in Mulberry. Just not gonna use this. I have a million colors like this, so I'm gonna go ahead and let that go. And I'm not gonna swatch any of this stuff just in case I decide to list it. I don't wanna swatch it and then, you know, that's just an extra touch on the product. But this is the City Colors lipstick in Lydia. That's another really pretty color, but one that I know I have other colors like. I have the NYX Slip Tease in, what is this, Red Queen. And then also this Urban Decay lip gloss. I actually just got this in a BoxyCharm. This is the Hi-Fi Shine lip gloss, and I'm gonna go ahead and let that go as well. The next thing I have is this Tarte Tarteist Pro Glow palette. I've only used this a couple of times, but I just have so many highlight and contour palettes. I just feel like I don't need it, so I'm going to let that go, along with all of these eyeshadow palettes. So I have here this Crown Pro palette. This actually also came in a BoxyCharm, but it came broken, which I was so sad about because this palette is so pretty. But that's how it looks. I also have this Laura Lee Los Angeles. This is the Party Animal palette. I'm just not going to use this palette. Not really feeling her these days, so I'm going to also get rid of that. I have a Milani Fierce Foil Eyeshine palette in Naples. We have a, what do you call it, Viseart or Visart palette. It's just a little mini. It's called the Petite Pro palette. ColourPop Take Me Home eyeshadow palette. This was gorgeous. I just have so many shades like this, but this was so gorgeous. Last but not least, I went ahead and got rid of this, which I was so sad about. If you guys haven't seen my eyeshadow declutter video, click that eye right up there. This was the first high-end eyeshadow palette that I bought, and I bought it before I was even really into makeup, and I was just like, oh, if I buy this eyeshadow palette, this will be the only eyeshadow palette that I will ever need. And as you can see, I used the hell out of it, but I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of it. This was like the most basic palette ever, but I loved this thing. I think I spent like $55 on this thing. I loved it. I'm gonna go ahead and let it go. It's the Bobbi Brown Day to Night Warm eyeshadow palette. Moving along, I do have a few primers here. I have the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. This is in the green shade. I also have the YSL All Hours primer, which I probably won't use again. And then I have this little mini travel size Too Faced Hangover RX primer. So both of these are new, the Smashbox and the Too Faced. This YSL primer, this one I use this quite a bit, but it's still pretty full. I have 3 foundations that I know I'm just not going to get any more wear out of. I have the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Plus. Ever since they came out with the new Makeup Forever foundation, which I did do a review on, by the way. Ever since they came out with that, I found myself not reaching for this at all, or not even thinking about reaching for this. So I'll go ahead and let it go, along with the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer. And then I'll also let go of the YSL All Hours foundation. I just did a video with this and it just wasn't my favorite foundation, so there's no need to hold on to it, even though it was expensive AF. Last but not least, I do have a few eye products here that I want to show you guys. I have 3 of these Revlon Photo Ready Eye Arts, and I haven't used these in forever, so I need to let these go. And then my single shadows, just some more older ones. This is the NYX Nude Matte Shadow in Blame It on Midnight. I used to love this as a transition shade, but I just don't use it anymore. I have the Lena Lashes Dazzle Days Glitter in this like money green shade. A Stila Metallic, oh, it's a Magnificent Meadow Eyes in Metallic Merlot. So this color was actually really pretty. I just never reached for it. It was super pretty though. I have a Milani shadow here in Bella Cobalt. Oh, I never even opened this. It's a cobalt blue shade. Still has the packaging on it. This MAC foiled eyeshadow in Magic in Your Eyes. I will never ever use this. I don't even know why I thought to buy this. I feel like I just buy things. Like I just get online, black out, and just buy stuff. I don't know, child. And then the last thing I have is this Stila eyeshadow. It's an all over shimmer duo and it's in the shade Kitten. And it just looks like this. So that's it, you guys. This is the final declutter bin. I'm so happy to be done with this. And like I said, everything that I decide to list will be in my Poshmark closet. I will be randomly putting things on Poshmark from now on. So always check out that link to see what regularly comes up, because I'm going to try to do a regular purge of not only my makeup, but also my clothes and shoes. So just make sure you check out my Poshmark from time to time. It'll stay down below in the description box. So thanks so much for going on this declutter journey with me. Things to look forward to, of course, is the full room tour and makeup collection. I also want to organize my makeup a little differently. I don't know how, but I want to incorporate you guys in there when I do that. Maybe we'll do it live, maybe, I don't know. I don't know what's gonna happen, but I do want to reorganize my makeup once I show you guys the room tour. But that'll be coming up soon, so make sure your notification bells are on and make sure you are subscribed. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye guys.